So we'll import numpy as np. Then we'll create a random array of 100,000 elements. Each element's going to be anywhere from 0 to 99 using numpy. And then we'll be looping through that array and showing you how modulos actually work. They determine what's left over after two numbers are divided. So we'll be trying to divide by 25,000 and checking whether or not we have anything left over after that division. So I should only be divisible by 25,000 four times, while counting all the way up to 100,000. That's going to be 25, 50, 75, and 100. And then we'll just go ahead and show you that we never actually get an integer that's above 99. And there you go.